It's freaking hot.
Sydney, tell me.
Don't get it if you want your tongue to burn off.
Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I have a friend today. Now this is my friend Sydney.
Hello.
She's probably the funniest person I've ever met. I'm gonna link her down in the description box below. It's true, she's incredible. She's been staying with me for the last couple of days. And so today I thought it would be super fun. I've always wanted to do like a Nashville weekend guide, like what to do when you come to Nashville. And so we're not really doing that today. I do still wanna do that video, but today I'm gonna do a video of Nashville through my eyes. Like, what are my favorite places in Nashville? I'm gonna take her around and show you kind of some of my favorite little hidden gems. So,
I don't know where we're going.
She doesn't know where we're going.
Not
It's
a clue.
all gonna be a surprise, but it's gonna be such a fun day. So if you're excited about this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that we're friends. Please comment down below something fun, interesting about yourself. I wanna get to know you, meet some people in the comments. And if you're not already, hit that subscribe button to join the best family ever. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Let's go. Okay, really quick though, I bought this really adorable bunny at Target and I was so excited about it to start decorating for spring and Easter. And he broke! I broke his little booty and I broke his nose, but then genius woman over here, she stuck flowers in him and it's quite possibly my favorite decoration I've ever owned in my entire life.
Dollar store flowers, mind you.
The boys bought us flowers from Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day, which is so stinking sweet. And we put him
His new tail.
and we put him in a cup with water, but yes, he's my favorite.
So people always ask me what my favorite thing about Nashville is. And if I'm honest, it's the people. The friends that I've made here in Nashville are like the highest quality people I've ever met in my entire life. But aside from people, Nashville just has a lot of really fun things to do. I feel like every single night there is something to do, whether it is live music, whether it's bowling, Bible study, church, a concert, football game. There's literally something every single night of the week, and that's something I wasn't used to, and I've had to like build up an endurance to it because I get exhausted. You've been here for what, like a couple of days? I'm dead.
And we were talking about it the other day. We're so tired and exhausted because we're just on the go so much, but like in a good way. There's so many.
Hello?
This is Mark with an important message about your automobile service contract. Seems like the time to renew.
I get so many spam calls every week, and we're back. There truly is so many fun things to do in Nashville, and there's so much good food. Nashville is one of those places that I feel like you could live here your entire life and still not try all the food there is here to try. Absolutely.
And it's also diverse. Like you've got hot chicken, you've got healthy things, you've got smoothies, you've got coffee shops. There's literally everything here, and it's like a blend of like cool urban city vibes food, but then also like that southern comfort food that everybody loves that you can't find in other parts of the country. So I'm taking you somewhere right now, which is one of my favorite places to go, and
She doesn't tell me anything.
tell them about your Nashville Hot Chicken experience.
Everyone knows Nashville is known for the hot chicken, all of the things. We booked a reservation last night at a restaurant close to downtown, and they had Nashville Hot Chicken. So I got the tenders. He said they were mild because I have a sensitive tongue. No, your girl ate one bite of this hot chicken.
And she broke out in hives.
Hives up my neck, on my shoulders, hot. And then she didn't think it was hot.
I'm a wimp when it comes to heat, and I didn't think they were that hot.
Okay, but she didn't get the sauce on it either.
I had some sauce, maybe not as
Didn't
much
have-
as you
she
did.
didn't have- It's hot.
Okay, we're almost here, look. Okay, first stop is L&L Market. It's like a little indoor market slash food court. There's cute little shops and boutiques. It's a super cute place. One of my friends, Gracie, owns a place in here called Gracie's Milkshake Bar. They make these really epic, milkshakes, and there's so many cute things inside of here. There's also one of these places, it looks like a sushi place that has one of those conveyor belts where things go around, but it's like wine and mini charcuterie cups with like cheese and crackers, and it's so fun. So we're gonna go explore. If you're a donut fan, may I have the pleasure of introducing to you Five Daughters Donut. They're famous in Nashville. They have 100 layers. So they're like a croissant slash donut, similar to the cronut, but
It's unmatched.
it's unmatched. They're really popular here in Nashville, and she's been talking about them
I must go
ever
order.
since we got here. So that's why I wanted to bring her here.
Bless you.
What are you gonna get?
My classic chocolate sea salt. It is.
This one? I love Nashville.
Thank you so much.
Here and there. Wow.
Do you see the layers?
I do, yeah. And what's the verdict?
It's unlike anything else.
Look at that, holy cow. I'm just gonna throw it out there. A trip to Nashville is worth it for these donuts alone. End of story. Hang on, you guys, it's the friend I was just telling you about. It's Gracie.
Hi, how are you?
I was just telling my vlog about you.
Oh
Guys.
my gosh. Wow.
This is the Gracie Tucker of Gracie's Milkshake Bar. It's right over there. I'm gonna go show you here in a second, but she's the legend.
Wow, this is a great surprise.
Second stop is Centennial Park. This is my favorite park here in Nashville. If you watch the Day in the Life vlog I did here in this summer, I took you guys to Centennial because I legit come here every single day in the summer. They have really nice walking trails. It's such a beautiful park. There's this little lake situation here with all the baby gooses, all the little geese, and then you can't see it right now because it's the middle of winter, but these trees right here, y'all, these trees are big cherry blossom trees, so in just a couple of months these are all gonna bloom white and pink, and walking down this pathway is the most magical thing in the world. Sid's still stuck on the geese.
Cute. I know they're like not very attractive, but look at his little freaking head.
Look at this fun little bridge.
$20. You jumping in there? For $20 whole. Nah, 50. Not 150.
I'd do it.
I would not.
All right, here's the famous Parthenon. This actually is an exact size replica of the one that's in Athens, Greece. They built it here. Not really sure why, but this exact building exists in Greece.
It's this big building from Greece. I don't know why it's there, but it looks good.
No, it's really cool though. If you go inside, I think you have to pay like $10 to go into the museum. There's like this big statue of Athena, I think. I don't know, one of the Greek goddesses. I've never gone inside, but the outside's really pretty. My favorite lunch spot in Nashville is just a quick grab and go kind of salad-y type of bowl place called Greenery. It's on the street, and then right across is a Crumble Cookies. So typically I go and get a salad and then I get a cookie, and there's all kinds of fun cute little things, and we're gonna go check it out right now. Crumble to your left, and then we got the cute little salad place right here on the right. Forgot there's a Jenny's ice creams right here on the corner. This street literally has all the best things. Nashville does have some really good ice cream. I'm gonna take you to probably, I don't know, Jenny's and this other place are neck and neck for my two favorites. I'm gonna take you there as well. But we're actually now 5 minutes away from another cutie little street. I'm taking you to 12 South. It's a neighborhood kind of south of downtown Nashville. It's right near Belmont, so it's kind of like in a college campus area, which has lots of really pretty places to walk around. One of my favorite coffee shops and places to work is called Frothy Monkey. There's a few Frothy Monkeys in town. There's actually one super close to where I live, but there's also a Frothy Monkey in 12 South. Okay, we are now on 12 South. This building coming up has a special story. So this is Draper James, which is Reese Witherspoon's boutique, and there is an Airbnb that sits right on top of it, which is actually where I stayed when I came to Nashville and lived here for the month. And so this was my home for a month. Right here is Edley's Barbecue. This is my favorite barbecue in Nashville. It's so good. If y'all know me, my first favorite food is ice cream, second favorite food is cookies, and my third favorite food is barbecue. Right here is the iconic I Believe in Nashville mural. Lots of people like to take pictures there. We've got that cute little blue and white stripe. Christie Cookies has the best cookies. Right here on the left is White Bison Coffee. They have really great matcha and a fun little patio area to work. There's just so much to do here at 12 South. Got a bar taco up here. This is a fun little place to come with friends. So we're here on, what's today? It's a Tuesday afternoon, so there's not a lot going on, but if you're here on a weekend, 12 South is packed. They have vendors that come out and they set up trucks and tents. We've got an Amelia's flower truck right here, but we have a big farmer's market, and you'll just see people walking around everywhere, especially when the weather is nice. This is such a fun spot to come. Here's the Frothy Monkey coming up here on the left. I always say one of my favorite hobbies and things to do in Nashville on the weekends is to count how many bachelorette parties you see, because there are so many bachelor parties. You'll see them everywhere. There's the Five Daughters Bakery. Oh, right here on the left. This building right here, oh my gosh, I totally forgot about this. This is Dolly Parton's personal recording studio. So she records all her music in there. You can't get in, obviously it's gated and locked, but that's where Dolly Parton records all of her music. Here's the Jenny's Ice Cream right here on the right. And then Josephine's is a wonderful place for brunch. Make a reservation though, because they always fill up. And then right here at the very end is Franklin Juice Company. If you're looking for smoothie bowls, juices, smoothies, they have decent ones. See, I feel like those places are so good because they're not major chains. Yeah. They're like the hidden gems.
Yes. And this is really nice because 12 South is relatively close to downtown, which is where we're headed now. So if you want to hit like the downtown Nashville scene, I don't spend a lot of time downtown just because there's so much to do in Nashville and that's not really my favorite place. But occasionally, maybe like once every other week, my friends and I will go line dancing on a Friday night. And so we're headed
so fun.
Down, like right down on Broadway. The iconic Wild Horse Saloon has the best dance floor, really fun music. They do lessons, so if you don't know how to do it, you don't have to worry because they show you, and it's super easy and fun and just a really good time. Like if you've never been to Nashville, you can't not go downtown because Broadway is iconic in itself. Yeah. That ice cream shop I was telling you about, my first favorite ice cream shop in Nashville, the one tied with Jenny's, is right here on the left. You would miss it if you weren't looking for it, but it's called Mike's Ice Cream. We got Mike's Ice Cream. Look how cute! This, y'all would think this is funny. This is the Taco Bell Cantina. It's the only Taco Bell that has live music. We went in there one night after we went line dancing and got Taco Bell and listened to some country music. It was great. This is all still, you can kind of see it's under construction because, y'all, this is where the bomb went off a couple years ago on Christmas Day. It was really tragic. I didn't live here then, but I had friends that lived here and luckily nobody got hurt, but I don't know if you remember that. That's just right where it was. If you like food, come to Nashville. If you like a good time, come to Nashville. If you like to dance, come to Nashville. If you like to sing, karaoke perhaps, live country music, live any kind of music, come to Nashville. If you like donuts, come to Nashville. Franklin right now. Franklin is the cutest little quaint town just south of Nashville. This is one of my favorite places to come if I just want to like get out of town for the day, but like not really get out of town. It's about 20-30 minutes outside of Nashville, and y'all, I'm telling you, you can't really see behind me, but there's this giant roundabout that has tons of like boutiques, coffee shops, cafes, restaurants. There's an old-timey movie theater right down the street. And so it's just like a fun little getaway if you just want to escape the city. So it's so cute. Bringing you here today, I got a coffee at one of my favorite stops here. It's called Onyx and Alabaster. It's like a little, just like a little town that's so close to the city, but you feel like you're just getting away from the tourism almost. It feels like a Hallmark Christmas town. They actually were filming a Hallmark Christmas movie the last time I was here. They still had the tree up. It was like January, February or something. And they were filming a movie on the street. It's great. So sweet, so quaint, such good coffee, little bakeries and stuff that you wouldn't know of unless you were here. Yeah, so if you visit Nashville and you kind of want like a little hidden gem, make your way down to Franklin. Yeah. You're gonna love it. Yeah, as if I live here and I know things. She's a Nashville native now. I say that, I'm not even a Nashville native. I haven't even lived here for a year. That was so fun. I love Franklin. It was a good time. Did you have a good day? I had such a good day. The night is young. We still have a few more activities, but I just wanted to show you guys some of my favorite spots in Nashville in case you're visiting. I'll try to do a video sometime else when I have more time to like go around and get all the cool shots of like how to spend the best weekend in Nashville. But hey, if this video made you smile, please give it a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button. I want to be your friend. I want to know you. I want you to be part of the best family ever. I'm so thankful for you. Thanks for watching this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.